Welcome to Advenshare by PCI. In this quick tutorial, we're covering the Manage page, your command center for teams, routes, and more. Open the app and tap the Manage page at the bottom navigation bar. At the top, you'll see your tabs, starting with the Routes tab. Here you can manage your saved GPX files, share routes with the crew, and access Advenshare global routes. Now you can view your routes, shared and global routes. Click on the three dots in the right corner to share a link, invite people or teams, rename your routes, as well as make the route private or delete the route. Next up, you'll see a Cars tab. This feature is still in development, and full functionality will be available soon. Next, you have the Teams tab. This is where you organize your crew for live tracking on the map and shared radio channels. To create a new team, tap the big blue plus icon. Give it a name, something like Desert Crew or Baja Support. Add a short description, and then tap Create. Once your team is live, tap the blue Manage button to invite members instantly by email, phone number, or generate a QR code that they can scan right on the trail. Once invited, you can assign roles. Make your key people admins for full control, or keep others as members. You'll also see who's online and offline at a glance. Finally, we have the Photos tab. Here you can upload and search through photos that have been previously added. You can rename and delete using the three dots in the top right corner. And that's the Manage page. Get your crew organized and stay connected wherever your adventure takes you.